Are you in the market for an outdoor wireless security system? Well, look no further. Blink Outdoor is the security system for you. I've been running the Blink system for probably about 3 years now and have been blown away about the technology. Today is your lucky day because one of the cameras is outdated and I'm going to update it to the new Outdoor 4. I'm going to show you what's in the box, show you how simple it is to install on the side of my house, and then connect it to the modular and then show you the picture quality and audio quality from the camera itself. So let's open up this box, see what it's about, and get this installed. But inside this box, we're gonna have the instructions, the camera, the key to take off the back side of the camera, the wall mount, 2 lithium-ion batteries, which is important to give you the full 2-year capacity of the actual battery on the camera itself, and of course 2 screws to install it to a wall. The only thing I would recommend to do is maybe grab an anchor for maybe stucco or concrete if you are going to be putting it on a stucco house. And if you aren't, maybe grab another mount that's out there so that way you could put a more weather resistant and tight mount on it. So now that the mount is installed onto the stucco, real simple to do. Again, all you have to do is drill it, put the anchor in, and install the screw so the mount is in place. Grab your camera and then just push it onto the mount itself and then position it on the angle that you want the camera to capture the area that you want recorded. Now, what I recommend to do is, of course, I'm recording on my phone right now, but get into the app, open up the live view of this camera in your app, and you can position it in real time on what angle you would like to do. So repeat that process to all the cameras that you want around your house, so that way you optimize the area that you want to have covered.
And there you have it. That's how simple to install the Blink Outdoor 4 camera system around your house. Anybody could do it. Here's the quality of how crisp and clear the audio is coming through to you, and you could also see the quality of the picture, which is very sharp, and you can see as I walk around everywhere. These cameras give a wide perspective for what you're trying to cover. I would highly recommend them to any one of you thinking about getting a new wireless system. Go out, grab the Blink Outdoor 4 camera today. You're not going to be disappointed. Thanks again for watching, and good luck with your purchase.